Chill. It's Thadri. That is the name of our series.
Let me tell you about Thadri, the one day Sindhis don't cook, yet every thali is full. This festival has its own warmth. Through this series, I'm sharing my favorite Thadri recipes, food that's made a day in advance. It's cold but brimming with life and flavor. I had to begin with besanaji koki, or what we also call besani. Finely chopped onions, green chilies, dhania, and a generous moin of oil, enough to hold it together and enough to make it last. It's roasted low and slow and is brilliant for breakfast, especially with dahi and some sai chutney. But honestly, it is great for any time of the day. You don't even have to be hungry to eat some besanaji koki. And like most cookies, it travels well. Somehow, it always tastes better the next day. In fact, it is the kind of food that survives time, travel, and tantrums. So this Thadri, if there's one thing you make, let it be this besanji cookie. And of course some mitho lolo, because come on, are you even Sindhi if you don't?
So besanaji koki with hari chutney and dahi is honestly all you need on your Thadri morning.